Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 77. The graph shown above represent f of x and f of x plus a plus b, where a and b are constant. Which of the following is the ordered pair a, b? So to read it, a is the first value, right? And then b is the second value. That order pair mean, okay? So b is the second value. And we see that f of x is given. The graph look like that. And then f of x plus a plus b is look like that, right? So how to working on this one fast, right? So you see that this is the pointed part is 1 comma negative 2, and then that part is moving up here, that is 2 comma 0. So if I put that 2 graph on the same coordinate x and y, that point now go up here, okay? The point 3 comma 2 become 4 comma 4. But if we looking for a lot of point, it's kind of confusing, right? We only need one point to just finish these questions. So how we do that? So you see that originally we have is this point, and then we move up how many units? You move up the whole graph up 2 units. So we move up 2 units. Okay. Then what else? We move to the right. So we move to the right. How many units? 1 unit. And then if we remember, if we go up 2 units, it look like this. F of x will be at 2. If move to the right, we have f of x minus 1. Now if we kind of like combine those two factors, you will see if we have f of x minus 1 and then we add 2, you will have like the new graph. The second graph is represent 4, right? So in this case we have f of x plus a, then plus b. Obviously we see that we'll see b is a 2. Okay, so that negative, no, that's 1. So we have a and c. Okay, so for a, this is the plus side. So if we have to rewrite it, that will be x plus negative 1. Okay, add 2. So now we have x plus a, so a is negative 1. So C is the correct answer. Okay, so we see that is x right here, right? And then plus side, so we have x right here, plus side, and the rest will be a. So let me write down. We have x plus a. Here we have x, right? But we have minus 1. We want to be at negative 1. So now a is negative 1. They give you a lot of point, but if you just focus on only one point, right? So here, for example, if I choose the point -2, 0, you see that the left end of the graph, right? So now it's moved up here, -1, 2, -1, 2, they move up here. So we move up 2 units, then you move to the right 1 unit. Or if we have this is the original one, and then they move up here 4.4 right here, so we move up 2 units. This is the right end, okay, 2 units up and 1 unit to the right. Just focus only one point, right? So remember this one, they're not given, but you can read it, right? Since it's like the y-intercept is from 0, 1, we move up here is 1, 3, so right here you move up 2 units, then to the right. So every single point lay on the graph f of x will be moved up 2 units, then move to the right 1 unit. And we know that if we move up, right, we use this one, right? And if we move to the right, we use this one, then we combine those two. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.